Go. Anyways, hello guys, again, train symbol 6. It is. Oh, it's another one. So I don't want to be getting like thinged again. So as you can see. I think we're getting another one on the other side too, because I can literally see it. I can probably see it. I don't know if I'm blind, but I think I can see another train.
There's no light. Yeah, there's no light. There's no light.
Maybe I am blind.
There's no light.
Okay, there's no lights. Oh, never mind. There was lights, but yeah.
Yeah, we'll upgrade you when it comes a bit closer. He's like probably 50 yards down that track right now.
50 yards. Just count.
Not 50 yards, 50 meters.
I don't know if you can see his lights, guys. Can't see that. But yeah, we'll let you know when he comes closer. Another one. Hola. Well, he just gave us a 720
720 just honked up his horn. Hell yeah!
horn.
When the next one comes, hopefully get another one.
Peace? Maybe?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Peace. Oh, never mind.
Oh my gosh.
I knew it.
Maybe not peace because the next one's already coming.
It doesn't stop here. I recommend this one should be going like 80 miles per hour at least. 80 miles per hour. Hello. London Liverpool Street. I don't know what that class is, unfortunately, but yeah, we'll keep you updated until more comes. There's a lot on this platform, so we'll keep you updated.